Finally, a new AI tool has come that can generate text along with images. These are things that tools like Midjourney couldn't do until now. Well, it's Ideogram AI, and it has arrived to compete with tools like Midjourney. You can use it for making posters, logos, and even YouTube thumbnails. So after using this tool for hours and doing research, the thing I have in front of me today, I'm going to present everything to you. So let's jump straight in. So to use this tool, you need to go to this website. You'll need to sign up with your Google account, and once you log in, you will see a screen like this. Now the first thing to note is that anything you design will be visible to everyone. As you can see in this image, it says, "Don't distract me, I am busy missing the point." They are Smurf girls, and you can also create posters like these for your restaurants. Moreover, on a Vogue poster, there's a Godzilla and even Messi in Thor's outfit, along with many product posters. So how does it work? It works very easily. You just have to give it a prompt, then click generate. For example, I have this prompt, so I put it in, select the aspect ratio and add a style. Here you can see that you can add different styles like photo, poster, 3D render, typography, cinematic and painting. And after that, we'll click generate, and within a few seconds it will show you different images. So as you can see, it has given us these 4 images which are quite impressive, but sometimes it doesn't work perfectly. Like this image where the text is missing, but its success rate is quite good. So here I provide a prompt to generate text as well. And let's see, if I choose typography, cinematic, dark fantasy and 3D render as the style and then generate. Let's see what it gives. So you can see it created these images which look pretty good, and they even have tears. So now, as in another prompt, I ask it to design logo for my channel, and it's given quite a good result. So the next step is that you can use its remix feature to modify the design even more. For example, I select one of these 4 images, remix it, change the style, and now I remove the green color and add neon red. Here you can see the difference. So in this way, we can experiment with different changes to make our image perfect. On the other hand, you can use the community feature to see how other people are creating designs and what's trending. If you like an image from there, you can just copy its prompt and create similar design by mixing prompts. So that's our tool for today. But remember, like all AI tools, it can occasionally make mistakes in the text. However, given creativity and versatility, this tool is a perfect that can enhance your creativity and even contribute to your income. So if you are a beginner, this tool can be your new creative partner.